Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call. I can't believe it's another mail call video. Today's video is probably going to be pretty quick because there's not a lot here to get through. Of course, in the mail call videos we just go through what's arrived in the mail recently. I am trying to get some actual good videos out to you guys soon. I'm working through an old book teardown of this guy, Electronic Circuits. This is taking me, it's going to take a long time to get through, but I am working on it. So that'll be coming out soon, and I was really hoping to ship this one already. I'm working on the J-Car and Silicon Chip Mini Project number 3. It's in progress over here, but unfortunately I assembled the project and it didn't work. So I've got a kind of open-ended debugging session over here where I'm trying to figure out why the circuit isn't behaving the way I expect it to. I've had to pull out the multimeters, pull out the oscilloscope. I'm having a look at it there. You can see it on the breadboard. Anyway, I'm going to pack that up and I'll keep on with that another day. So today's just going to be a quick mail call. I've got this bag here from China. There won't be much in there. And I want to tell you about this, which is probably, well, it's not exactly the first bit of equipment that I've got that's bit from a sponsor, but it's probably the most significant to date. I have received some stuff in the past from PCBWay. They sent me some free stuff in exchange for mentions on the channel here, and I did collect this very cool multimeter from Dave Jones. He was good enough to send me one, which was very generous of him. So I have received things on the channel for free already, but this is probably the most significant thing to have happened. It got sent to me by this Chinese company called Rown Fusny. Rown Fusny. So I don't know really very much about them. I've been to their website. They make headsets, and that's what this will be. Today I'm just telling you about it. I am going to do a demo of this bit of equipment, so that will be coming out in a future video. I might as well just flip you over just quickly. This is the website of the Rown Fusny people. So as they say, they've got professional headsets. Now I believe the one that they sent me was this wireless mono headset. I'm pretty sure that's the one that they've sent me. I'm not 100% sure yet though, so we'll be having a look at that soon and see what's actually arrived. So this is their website, a whole bunch of stuff, all headsets. They seem to specialize in headsets. So there you go. And if we click on catalog, what does it have to say? Just the same again by the looks of it. Fair enough. Alright, well look, let's jump over to the bench together, and then we can see what's arrived. Here on the bench. Now, you can see here, these are my they're cables for the oscilloscope, but rather than probes, they've just got jumpers because I wanted to see things. And I only have 2 of these BNC to jumper cable cables, so I need to make more. Maybe we could do that together now. Let's just see. Let's get through the mail call, and then we'll think about making some cables. Now I do have some project boxes. This is one of them, and I've got it set up so that basically I can just take a project and put it in a box. That's what that's supposed to be about. Now, just tidying up here. What have we got? Power. Okay. Just packing up some stuff so I can make some room on this bench here for other things. Actually, you know, I should have done this earlier. I'll clean up this bench and I'll be back. Sorry about that. It took longer than I would have thought. So this is the thing from China. I'm not sure what it is. There are a few little dribs and drabs that I'm expecting to come in over the next couple of days. I got myself another one of those digital clocks that we made at the beginning of the year. Alright, it's the old AliExpress bag within bag. Let's see what's in this bag. Is it gonna rip? Yeah, it will. Alright. Oh, this is it. That's what I was telling you about. Great. So, this is just a digital clock. You can see the front of it here. Where's that? There it is there. Just a digital clock radio. It's built with a microcontroller actually. So it's this clock is mostly software. They don't send you the software, which is a little bit disappointing. It'd be fun to play with the software for the clock. I don't know who to ask for the software. They might not speak English. I don't know. Anyway, this is the kit. So we'll just keep it sealed up and we'll put it in the kit drawer container. And now this is a mystery. It probably can't be very exciting because it's quite small, whatever it is. So let's see. Oh, it's an ESP32. There you go. Now, I would have added this to my order just to go over the minimum spend so that I got free shipping. So ESP32. Is it ESP32C3? Yeah, okay. So I've got a box full of those here, and this is one of them. Can just put it in there like that. Now I suppose since we're here looking at what's come in the mail, I might as well just honourable mention this spend here. These are my notes from back the other day. I got 8 220 ohm half watt resistors, 8 1 meg half watt resistors, the temperature sensor module, and an LM311 comparator. So the comparator is this little guy down here. Let me show you that. This is the comparator. That's just an 8-pin 4x2 integrated circuit. This is the temperature module. Now these are different to the ones that I have because they've got a built-in capacitor, which I believe is there to act as a low-pass filter in case there's any noise on the device. So that was interesting. I thought that was interesting. My other ones don't have it. It's probably not necessarily certainly not necessary for this particular project, probably. Anyway, I got this one, and this is all purchased from JCar, which is an electronics store in Australia, very similar to the old Radio Shack in America. So JCar is kind of like Radio Shack over here. It's probably, I don't know how long it's going to be in business, because China and AliExpress must just be absolutely eating its lunch. I don't know how they can compete with China. I suspect they can't. But they're still in business, so we popped down to the actual store the other day and bought these things the old-fashioned way, over the counter from the electronics store. And these are for that mini project that I just cleared off the bench a moment ago. So yeah, honourable mention there. Now look, I am going to do this conversion as a video, but I'm going to split it out and do it as a separate video. So I'm going to wrap up this video. I did say it'd be a short one, and it is. So I'll send you over to the farewell cam and we'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. So yeah, I did say it'd be a quick video today, and it was. It's always good when we can get a quick video in. I'm sorry for all the mail calls. It's been nothing but mail calls around here for a week. That was just to get through some stuff. I have got some electronic projects in the pipelines. You can see at the bottom over there is my 30-in-1. We're about to start on the Maxitronics 30-in-1. I'm about to debug and ship the JCar Mini project number 3. Once 3 is done, I've got a whole heap more of them to come out. There's going to be heaps of those coming. The old book teardown I'll get done. I'll do this cable video today, but it won't be coming out until Tuesday. That's the new release cadence around here. I've backed off. In January I managed to do 1 video every day. That was great. It was really good for my YouTube stats. My popularity kind of doubled, which was excellent. As the activity fell off in February, I did see a little bit of a dip in the engagement numbers, so I think the YouTube algorithm does like me releasing new videos every day, but very difficult to keep that up. That takes a lot of time to perform at that level, so I've scaled it back a little bit. I now do videos on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, 3 days per week. That's my ambition. So I'm just going to squeeze this video out today. I haven't got any buffer. Today is Saturday, so I want this video to come out this evening. So that's why I'm recording it in a bit of a rush here. My mate is coming to take me out for dinner at the pub. I'm going to have a steak. I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, look, I'm going to ship this video, and then I'm going to make this video about this cable, so that'll be coming out soon. And yeah, look forward to Silicon Chip project number 3. Look forward to the old book teardown, and look forward to the Maxitronics introduction to the 30-in-1. All those will be coming out very soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.